player with the Google one. This is called Flex to Theos, and first made by iPad Kid 358, then updated by developer himself. This suite's called No Transit Cards Version Limit, Spoof OS version in the wallet app. It's great if you have to add, certain cards and it doesn't allow you to because iOS version is too low. This tweak is literally the reason for that. So this tweak should be. This suite's called App. This is called Zero. This tweak does support iOS 8 to 14. Bar ETS and was updated with the new iOS 16 battery percentage style for notch devices. It's called O2 Pro. It's like an app switcher, so pretty cool. Manager, configure apps, fake GPS location wherever you are. It's called Locket LRD, the best tweak for the Locket app. So I'll upload for some gallery. Also get this tweak without jailbreak through iStore. Name any group message thread on iOS 14. GroupMe. iOS 8.8 supported, iPhone only. Adds tab navigation to the stock iOS messages app for declutter the conversations, separating regular from the group ones. For like older iOS versions, you also do a ProTube HD. But yeah, it should fit some errors and allows you to do for YouTube for old iOS versions. We also have a ProTube HD. Confirm, tap and like or unlike on Instagram. The Instagram button supports iOS 12 to 14. This is called QSAR, revitalize the app switcher. Supports iOS 14 to 14.8.1. That's pretty cool. Hola, like hi in Spanish. So yeah, this tweak only shows iOS 15 the hello greeting feature when unlocking your device. A PL battery, so the percentage label when you battery icon, supports iOS 13 up. Vortex background imagery for the Today View and app library. So Vortex background imagery for Today View and the app library for iOS 14 only. Available at Ritza's repo for free. So make sure to add their repo. Phosphor tools, helper tools for the Phosphor tweets. And we have Phosphor hack. This is called UPIP, powered iOS 11 up, and enables the native picture-in-picture in the YouTube app. So, it does support that version of YouTube, so you might have to downgrade to that version if the other versions of YouTube are not working. And this tweak brings back the dislikes on YouTube. So, yeah, actually pretty cool. And I really think that they should bring that back. I think that was dumb that they removed it. But yeah. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Sports iOS 11 to 14.8. Jailbreak required, obviously. But yeah, peace.